What's good, everybody? It's your girl, Chef Shetty, and tonight it's day 1925 of quarantine. So, since it is, I'm cooking every day, which I usually do anyway, professionally, but at home, I'm cooking every day. And since I thought today was Friday, we're going to pretend today Friday. It's Thursday, but we're going to pretend today Friday, and we're going to have us a good old-fashioned fish fry. So my video is going to be quick tonight because I'm just going to show you what I do with my fish fry. This is the best. If you have this in your city, town, state, if you don't, look it up. It's Andy Seasonings. I get the red version. Don't add no salt, no nothing. I add a little bit of garlic powder to it, and that is it. So what I do is I take a half a pack, and I got 2 packs. I need 2 packs for my family size, which is size of 7. But I usually cook for up to 10 because I have boyfriends and girlfriends over here of the kids. So half a pack goes in this bowl with half a cup of water. I'm sorry, half a pack in this bowl with 2.5 cups of water. Mix it around and make yourself a good little batter. And then the other pack and a half goes for your dry mixture. And basically, I already have some cooling out over here that I battered, but I'm just going to show you really quick what I do. Make sure that your fish is completely thawed out. Don't do anything that has little frozen ice chips on it or anything. Just dip it in there a few times like this. Get it over here to the dry. Batter it up real quick. Let it cool out, chill out. On this side where I got some already battered, because again, like I said, I'm cooking a lot, so, I have to pre-do this. And then go ahead and get it over there. I just turned my oil off, but I'm turning it back on because it's hot. I have it on medium to high. Alright, so we're just going to take you right over here to the oil. And then let's go ahead and do a check. Got that sizzle going. That means that it's ready. We're going to drop our fish in. I usually like to do like 3 pieces. Alright. I got my little helper Lucy over here helping me. And so, I got whiting. I'm doing whiting tonight. I love whiting. It's a white flaky fish. It fries up. This is only going to take a good 4 to 5 minutes because it is deep fried, so I don't have to turn or anything like that. And then I'm also going to be doing some shrimp. The shrimp is going to be done the same exact way, battered the same exact way. And I'm going to come back and show you what the fish looks like, okay? Alright, we're back. I'm taking out the last batch of fried fish. Putting it over on my rack. Here, like that. Now, of course, if you have this in your deep fryer, you can always use your basket and pull them all up at the same time. But I don't feel like dealing with my deep fryer because I have a big one. So I use this. I'm not cooking for a large party, I'm just cooking for my family. So this is for all of you that cook at home for your family. Again, it's not Friday, it's Thursday, but because I've lost count of days dealing with the coronavirus and the quarantine, and I am only doing charitable work. So right now I'm only accepting requests to drop off to children, families that have children, and families that have older loved ones that need food, care packages, or what have you, at no cost. I'm not charging them to come out and deliver any of these things. This is straight out of my pocket. So right now, at this point, because I don't think it's fair to be sitting here booking and taking jobs and doing like, yeah, we all need money, but guess what? My family, my health family, and catering events and being around a lot of different people, you can't, determine how many people you're going to be around in a room. And I'm only going out to homes. If I'm personal chefing, I'm only going out to specific homes that request. that I know that's taking a proper precaution, because we all have family, lives, and things that we have to do to take care of our family. So right now, I'm only doing drop-offs for needy families and older folks in the community. So I'm home a little bit more, and that's cool, because you know what? God has blessed me to be able to take care of my family and not need anything financially right now. And that's only by the grace of God and only by His grace only. So it is what it is. I'm dropping in the shrimp right now. The shrimp actually only takes 2 minutes, so you don't want to like overcook your shrimp, because then they shrivel up too bad and they get rubbery. And I use raw shrimp. Sometimes I see people that's making their shrimp recipes and they're using already pink shrimp. Pink shrimp means it's been cooked. So if you're frying pink shrimp, you're battering and frying pink shrimp, you're gonna definitely have a rubbery shrimp. And then I just want to show you what the fish looks like. If you guys can see that there. It's nice and battered up. So this is what it looks like here. Nice and flaky. It's the bomb. What, Lucy? Oh, that's my little Lucy in the background if y'all don't hear her. Alright, and so this is the shrimp. This is what it looks like. Just give that maybe another minute. But again, shrimp does not take that long. If you are doing raw shrimp and you're battering up your raw shrimp, it does not take long at all. It's very, very, very quick, especially when you're deep frying it. And I just want to show you what it looks like. All done and completed. Alright. So, this is it, you guys. I want you to go ahead and follow me on Instagram, on all social media platforms at Pink Grits with a Z. Also, you can follow me on YouTube. Subscribe, like, share, and it's going to be, the YouTube is Cooking with C. Bangs, with Chef C. Bangs, let's be correct. And also, you can follow my group page on Facebook, which is Cooking with Pink Grits with a Z. Alright, so this concludes our video on fried shrimp and fish. And you guys enjoy your night. Love you.